eBits, the 100 series miniature toggle switches offer numerous actuator options and termination options, including right angle PC mount. These toggle switches offer up to 4 poles with 40,000 make-break cycles. A locking toggle is also available. Common applications for this miniature toggle switch include audio-visual equipment, consumer electronics, industrial controls, commercial equipment, instrumentation, and medical equipment. Please comment below if you have any questions about toggle switches. For more information about other switches, please visit our website at eswitch.com. Don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.